is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. This is part 1 of 2 videos. Today, we will talk about fire safety. We will explain why it's important to be prepared, common causes of fires at home, and how to talk to your kids about fire safety. Why fire safety? If a fire starts in your home, you may have less than 2 minutes to escape. That's not a lot of time. It's important to know common causes of fires at home and teach your kids fire safety. Common causes of fires at home include cooking, unattended hot appliances like an oven or stove, heating or space heaters, electrical, candles, and smoking. All heated items need space. Make sure portable heaters, candles, the oven or stove are at least 3 feet away from flammable items like clothing, curtains, and walls. Turn off space heaters and hot appliances when not in use. Never smoke in bed or when you're tired. Put candles out before bed and before you leave home. To keep your family safe, make sure all family members know cooking safety. Never leave the stove unattended and turn off the stove when you're done using it. Keep kids away from the hot stove. If there's a grease fire, do not use water or flour. This can make a grease fire worse. Turn off the heat and cover the pan with a lid or a dry hand towel. Never use your stove or oven to heat your house. You can establish safety rules in your house and talk to your kids about fire safety. We do not allow kids to play in the kitchen. The oven and stove are hot. Teach your kids to be careful. Kids are not allowed to play with matches, candles, or lighters. Keep these items out of reach. Remember, if a fire happens, teach your family to get out, stay out, and call 911 for help. Thanks for watching today. Watch part 2 with your kids to learn more about smoke detectors and escape plans to be prepared. Share with your friends and subscribe for more videos soon. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video and to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of the Wheaton Franciscan Sisters Fund.